There's a lot of different ways to structure your capital stack when you go to acquire a multifamily property. So senior debt, right? Very important. That's going to be pretty much your cheapest money, right? Well, depends. We've actually been able to negotiate some seller finance deals or seller carrybacks, actually cheaper than senior debt, but usually your senior debt is going to be the cheapest money in the deal. And then from there it's equity, right? And there's a lot of different ways to build that equity. You could do a mezz debt, so you could have a smaller mezz debt come in, pretty much a second loan. Your senior debt has gotta be okay with that. So a lot of the times your senior debt will actually supply you with mezz debt. And then after that, you've got your preferred equity. So you can put in a different class of shares as a preferred equity over the rest of the common equity. And then your last piece there would be a common equity. And you can also maybe throw in a seller carryback somewhere in here. Usually they're gonna want a preferred piece. So, not all of them are gonna be okay going behind mezz or going behind preferred equity, but it's all negotiable.